Samsung Galaxy A58 phone. Yes guys, Samsung is once again going to bring a lot of phones from its series into the market. However, right now leaks and rumors of this smartphone have already started coming out. And soon we will also see this smartphone in the Indian market as well as the global market. First, let me show you its unboxing part. So this kind of unboxing video has surfaced where we can see a A58 brand. And look at its design, it looks quite different. Inside the box, we get our smartphone. Some documentation is there, and a Type-C to Type-C charging cable is also included in the box. Now let's move towards the smartphone itself. Friends, first of all, check the design of the phone. Here you get a triple rear camera setup. And honestly, it looks quite different compared to the A57 or the A series lineup we have seen in recent times. However, if I talk about the frame, it has a metal frame and a glass back. The back also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection, meaning even if your phone falls, it should not face any major issue. Moving to the front side, we get a center punch hole display with a flat panel. It comes with a 1.5K resolution Super AMOLED display. You also get a 120Hz refresh rate. As we all know, Samsung displays are among the best. In A series as well, we have already seen very strong displays. So once again, the quality and viewing angles here should be excellent. If you watch movies or YouTube videos, you will also be able to easily consume HDR content here. Talking about IP rating, it may not be the latest one, but according to leaks, IP67 and IP68 ratings are expected, which is enough to make it splash resistant or water resistant. So if your phone gets a few water drops or light rain, there should not be any issue. You also get dual speaker support in this phone. Talking about the camera, as we already said at the beginning, this phone may come with a triple rear camera set. The primary sensor is 50MP, the secondary lens is 13MP, and the third lens is 8MP. On the front, you may also get a 50MP selfie camera. Both front and rear cameras may support 4K video recording, possibly up to 4K 60 frames per second. Samsung's AI features are also expected, which are becoming more advanced over time, and you may even get some features similar to the S series, which is a big plus for Samsung users. But if I talk honestly about camera quality, S series cameras are usually good, but in this price range, they sometimes fall a bit short. So it remains to be seen how well Samsung optimizes it this time. Talking about the processor, in India, there is a high chance we may again see the same chipset, but in the global market, it is being said that Samsung could bring Snapdragon 7's Gen 4. However, some people consider it a bit outdated. Still, we will see what happens in the future. Right now, leaks suggest Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 could be used. If I talk about storage and RAM, it may come with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. A liquid cooling system is not expected, and honestly, a series usually doesn't focus much on games. So overall, in performance terms, this phone will likely be average to decent. Finally, talking about battery, it may come with an approximate 6,000 milliamp hours battery and 45W fast charging support. So all these features are expected in this phone. Talking about the launch timeline and price, you'll have to wait a bit. It is expected that globally, it may launch around November or December, and in India, it may arrive in the first quarter of 2027. Talking about pricing, it is expected to start around $400 to $550. So friends, this was all the information that has come out so far about this smartphone, which I have shared with you. What do you think about this phone? You can tell me in the comment box. And for more tech-related updates, you can also subscribe to our channel so that whenever any latest phone update comes, especially from Samsung A series. Thanks for so much watching, guys. See you next time.